Hello, friends. Welcome to the world of prosperity and welcome to yet another episode of weekly review of Pulse of the Stock Market. Normally, in this weekly review, we check on the major index and see which way the market has moved in the previous week and what are the directions for the upcoming week. So, how many of you, were shaken by the Friday's movement and are looking for the direction? Then this video is for you. So let's deep dive into it. So let me first share the standard disclaimer. So please read through the disclaimer, which is basically the video is for educational purposes and we are not SEBI registered investment advisor. So please do your own research before, making the investing decisions, right? So that's a standard disclaimer. So now let me go back to the charts. Let me share my screen. Okay. So the first index, which is Nifty 50 on a daily time frame. If you see the Friday movement, it has touched an all-time high, right? Which is a good sign. Of course, it has, surrendered the day's gain, but still it was a good development. It has touched an all-time high of 24854. And Sensex also for the first time it touched a new high altogether. Of course, Friday there was some reverse movement, but still, if you see the last 5 days movement, like it is on a uptrend, right? And since next week is a budget week, Tuesday, the finance budget will be announced. So we think that till budget, it's a wait and watch situation, and we should look for directions from the budget, how things move and which direction, the policy decisions are moving. But as far as Nifty goes, it's in a good trend and it has touched all-time high. So we feel that it will continue this trend as far as the larger index is concerned. So let's go to the mid cap, which is mid cap 100 index. So if you see, this has actually weakened in the last week, and especially the Friday, was a big downfall. But that may be an exceptional, situation, and we need to monitor it in the next week, especially till the budget. We need to see how things are moving because it could be temporary profit booking or maybe sector migration, you can say shifting of, from one sector to the another, right? So let's wait till the budget and then we'll see how things are moving. But yes, last week it slightly weakened as far as the mid cap index goes. And we need to wait till the budget. The situation with the small cap is also almost similar to mid cap. If we see the last 3 days and the last, especially the Friday, it was a major downfall. But we don't need to panic at this stage, but we need to monitor, like wait and watch till at least budget day, which is Tuesday. And then we need to, take a decision, right? So this is how it is. And how this comfort comes is if we see the India VX, which is volatility index, that index also, there is not much movement. If you see the last 5 days movement, it is still in a range bound. So there is no major, panic as far as India VX is concerned, right? So that is what is our, consideration as far as this week index is concerned. That's all for this week. And if you really want to interpret these index and want to understand, then you can join my community and you can follow the hashtag Sunil Gupta 95. And for more information, watch out for this space. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much.